Hi everyone, welcome back to our Bitsy tutorials. Today we're going to explore how to use geo-targeting with your Bitsy Link. This powerful feature allows you to redirect users based on their location, such as their country, providing a tailored experience for your audience. Let's dive into how it works. Navigate to the Bitsy Links page where all your created links are listed. In this tutorial, we are going to use SoundPeats. SoundPeats is a renowned brand dedicated to providing high-quality wireless earbuds that enhance the way people experience music and sound. It doesn't matter, you can use any website of your choice. With geo-targeting, you need to set your fallback link as the destination URL. Fallback link is the destination URL users will be redirected to if their country isn't covered by the specific targeting settings. Usually, this will be the general URL you set when creating the short link. You can use the website main page as your fallback link. In this tutorial, we are going to use the SoundPeats products page as our fallback link. Scroll down to the geo-targeting section. This is where you can set up redirection based on user location. Here's how to configure geo-targeting. Specify location. Choose the country you want to target from the drop-down menu. Set destination URL. Enter the URL where users from this country should be redirected. For example, if you have a special promotion for users in Canada, you can direct them to a Canada version of your site. Enter the destination URLs for each location you're targeting. You can add as many rules as needed to cover different countries or regions. Once you've configured the geo-targeting rules, click on the Create Bitsy Link button. Now, when users access your Bitsy Link from different countries, they'll be redirected to the appropriate URL based on their location. This feature is especially useful for global businesses or campaigns that need to provide localized content. Let's visit the shortened link from Canada and see how it's going to work. Let's visit the shortened link from UK and see how it's going to work. Let's visit the shortened link from Brazil and see how it's going to work. And that's it. Adding geo-targeting to your Bitsy Link allows you to deliver a personalized experience based on user location, enhancing engagement and relevance. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. Have any questions or need assistance? Drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.